First, we need to hold a meeting to determine the product information and required materials. Secondly, we design the mold according to the product information. After that, we program the design mold information into the CNC machine. The CNC machine will perform rough processing on the mold according to the set program. After CNC processing, the mold will be finely carved by spot machine and wire cutting machine. In addition, we also need a milling machine to further operate the mold. In order to ensure smoother demolding, the workshop staff will polish the mold. After polishing, the workshop staff assembled the mold. Finally, we put the mold into the injection molding machine, punch out the test product, and complete the initial production of the product.